So I just plugged in the XiaoML kit. It's got the camera, microphone, micro SD card, Wi-Fi BLE, OLED, and right there is an IMU, and it's 6 degrees of freedom. And I want to show you a little bit of confusing thing they've got here. So if I can zoom in, I'm just got it on a table. Right now it's the gyroscope. Don't watch. Now watch. You see the negative 0.9, like 0.98? So it's jumping back from acceleration to gyroscope. So flat Z is negative. Now if I turn it on its side, we should see either the X or the Y. Now that's acceleration. It looks like X. So this is the X axis. Whereas if I make it vertical, and remember, you're not looking for the G's. G's are totally confusing. It's the A. There's the Y. Sorry, I'm shaking it. But it's almost 9.8. That's cool. The program's already there running, but it's totally confusing because it's switching from gyroscope to acceleration. See that? Gyroscope to acceleration. Gyroscope, you need like turning. And yeah, it's too confusing.